That's it. We just make the scrambled eggs. Then we are going to add the veggies. Before even veggies, let's add some onions actually. Then we are going to add some vegetables, green pepper, cabbage, carrots. And then we are going to toss them for 5 minutes. And also to fasten this process, let's add some salt. We are going to toss them for 5 minutes, then we are going to add the rest of the ingredients and rice. After 5 minutes, now we are going to add the rice. You don't need to deep fry the veggies too much, just 5 minutes is enough. Now we are going to add some soya sauce. And add some vinegar. This is optional. Not too much. We are going to add some chili powder to this. Just to make it spicy. If you don't want spicy, then it's completely, you can avoid the chili powder. You don't need to add any chili powder to this. Just to make it spicy, that's it. Or what I recommend is, if you have Szechuan sauce, that's the best, because Chinese items, they go good, very good with the Szechuan sauce compared to the chili powder. Now we are going to add some salt. If you want to make it more spicy, you can add green chili sauce to this. Or if you want this to have a kind of a punchy, sweet taste, then you can add some red tomato ketchup to this. And to make it more excitement, we are going to add some masala. That's like, you can add any kind of masala to this. Could be a chicken masala, could be vegetable masala, anything, or if you best is noodles masala. But you can go with any kind of masala on this. Once you add masala, just toss the rice for 5 minutes. That's it. Vegetable or egg fried rice is completely ready to be served. Let's see how it's gonna look after 5 minutes. I mean, pretty much it's gonna look the same, except I'm going to show it on my plate how it's gonna look. Let's see how it's gonna look. Forgot to mention, you can add some corn, sweet corn. You can even add some green peas. Just soak the green peas and the sweet corn for 5 minutes and toss them for 5 minutes like this. That's good enough. They don't need to be overcooked. That's it.